Sanibonani people of uMzansi. Hayi ngiyaphila. Le ndoda eza kunina uMseleko uyaphila. Ngizobonga futhi uyazi kule unyaka odlule noma ngalwanyanga ngathinteka kakhulu emzimbeni, ngigula, ngingaphilile. And ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ngokuthi angihambele nami, angangiphilisi. Uyabona namhlanje akudinga ukuthi kufike umuntu osuka phesheya noma osuka kuphi azongitshela ukuthi yazi Mseleko emzini wakho makuthiwa ukho kuyokwenzakalana, ngoba uNkulunkulu wangipha lelo thuba lokuthi ngikwazi ukubona, ngizibonele mina ukuthi yini ezokwenzeka mase kuthiwa angikho. Mhlawumbe abanye abantu enibaziyo esikakhulukazi laba abangiganile bayofika, mhlawumbe ngeke bafike futhi abanye. Kodwa ke ukugula akubanga intembi kwakona. uNkulunkulu wasilekelela kakhulu ukuthi sikwazi ukubona izinto ezijulile lezi esisazibona namanje. Namhlanje njoba kuyisonto kade kuyiphasika, ngike ngaye esontweni. Yazi umfundisi washumayela into eyinkinga kakhulu lapho. Wathi uNkulunkulu uma kunika into akakwenza umnikazi wayo, so akakunikezi ownership, uyakunikeza nje into ukuthi kubonakale ubukhulu bakhe. Ngabona ukuthi yazi lento ifana nalento enihlale nisho nina nithi uMseleko uyamanipulate, because uNkulunkulu akayifuni into angakunikezanga yona. Ukunikeza into. Wathi sikhuluma ngamadoda afana noAbrahama, okwathi uSara esezele indodana, wathi uNkulunkulu hamba unikela ngaleyo ndodana engikunike yona. Uthi uNkulunkulu ufune yakhe. uHana owayekhala ehlekwa umnakwabo ethempelini, wayibuyisela kuyena uNkulunkulu indodana le kade emnikeze yona. uNkulunkulu ufuna indodana yakhe. Lokhu nina nikubiza ngokuthi manipulation, nithi uMseleko uyamanipulate. Ngizwile namhlanje ukuthi ngiright, ngisemkhondweni, ngifuna okungokwami engangikunikezile, angifune engingakunikezanga. But yazi nayi into engithintile. Uthi umfundisi kuyavela ke mawukhungethwe umoya wobumntandane noma ungeyona intandane, because uma ngabe ungeyona intandane uthi izinto belongs to us. Uma ngabe uyintandane, intandane ilwela ukuthi izinto ezami. So ngenye indlela ke manje abantu kungenzeka bafune ukuthi izinto obukade uthi wena ezakho nabo bathi bona ezami lezo zinto. But ke egcine yosuku ngizobonga abantu baseNingizimu Afrika, ngiyanibonga nje nonke ngemthandazo yenu. Izolo bengihambele omunye umngcwabo wakaMseleko. Wathi umama, uyazi ngesikhathi ugula Mseleko, baningi abantu abathandazayo. 1, bethandaza ukuthi ungafi. Number 2, bethandazela ukuthi amakhosikazi angakushiyi, labo makhosikazi azongishiya manje. Number 3, bethandazela ukuthi engathi uhlelo lakho uthando nesithembu likaqhubeka. Ngathi mina hawu kwakuthandaza abantu besifazane, abantu besifazane engibaziyo ukuthi abangifuni. Kodwa yazi ke khona into esengiyibonile-ke nje enkulu kakhulu. Awakhuluma amadoda lapha ngami ko-Facebook nako-TikTok, uMseleko kunje. Hayi ngiyanibongela bafowethu. Niwasebenzise lawo mathuba. uFacebook njengoba sayedala amathuba omsebenzi eholela. Thina njengabantu bakaMseleko sonke siyanikeza icontent. Ithatheni leyo content niyi-break it down, niyisebenzise, ngoba ekugcineni kosuku izofaka isinkwa emakhaya, izonenza futhi ukuthi nilale nidlile, because uma ngabe ningayiboni ithuba, cabanga we create content thina and iyatrenda leyo content and inkulu kakhulu. Angisoze nganivimba noma ningathi lo muntu owenza amakhosikazi abakhona mubi. Ngeke nginimangalele. ngiyabuka nje ngilalele. Uyazi kwi-inbox yami ya Instagram ngithola abantu bengi-inbox bangithuke ngithi kodwa labantu ngeke bayenze lento engiyenzile. Kukhona udadewethu nje lapha uThandiswa, ngicela ukumbonga kakhulu. Mntakama ngiyakubonga, wathi ukhuluma wathi kumina ngeke ngize ngiqale ngikusole Mntakama ngoba uvula indlela ehlane. Hayi ngiyabona ukuthi ngempela indlela ehlane ngiyivulile. Bafowethu ngiyanicela ishoni noma yini eniyithanda ukuyisho, lento niyicabangayo nje, yazi kusho ngisho umuntu ongaganiwe akhulume ngami, nginabafazi ongaganiwe nonke kazaganwe akhulume khona manje ke khona bathi siyamhlula isithembu, kodwa nina nikaze nisibone isithembu siqala, nisibone sesisebenza isithembu. Abafazi sebelapha, anizange nibone kuqalwa kwakhiwa abafazi babekhona. So igcineni kosuku uNkulunkulu akabheki isiqalo, ubheka isiphetho. So siyibambe lapho. Umthandazo wami munye ukuthi engathi ngafika kumnikazi womuzi lo enivele lithi angimiyeka aphumule. Ngingamiyeka kanjani umuntu wayekhuluma nami engitshela ukuthi kuyoba nje kube nje. Angithi sengiyakubona manje phela isizathu esenza ngiluke ngikhulume njalo ngoFlow. uFlow wayengitshela ukuthi uma ngabe kufanele ube nalomuzi, uwena udinge ukuthi ubekezele. Makufuneka ube nalomuzi, uwena udinge ukuthi uwondle. Waphinde wangichazela wathi ngeke uhambe uyoluka usebenza uyokondla uhleli la ekhaya. Namanje ngihleli kwakhe ngihleli kwakhe. Ngithi ngiyavula la kunuka isikhunta kumuzi wakhe, angazi ukuthi kuzothiwani. But egcineni osuku yazi ukuthi thina sicabanga ukuthi umuzi ungathi, yabona labantu labehleli khona kunuka kahle, kodwa emzini kaFlow kunuka isikhutha. Ilona ishwa ke la ngempela lelo. Isebenziseni ke le video niyifake ku TikTok.
You know, bazala bam, I'll forever advocate for this man. I'm still saying, and I'll always say, Umseleki yona inhliziyo enhle unayo. Angaba namaphutha wakhe, bangaba nengxabano as a family namakhosikazi wakhe, but yena umoya omuhle enhlizweni yakhe unawo. Being a true man and a true leader unayo. And we still need amadoda afana noMseleki. I know a lot of people, they're against what I'm saying, and a lot of people they wanna see. Especially, I've noticed ukuthi abantu abaningi uMseleki whether ujikela umacele, whether umakhumalo, whether umayeni, whether umangwabe, noma imuphi unkosikazi kaMseleki ozodela uMseleki ngaleso sikhathi, people they celebrate that. I've noticed ukuthi akusinkinga ukuthi uMseleki uphatha abantu kanjani, but people they have a problem ngoMseleki as a man or as a human being. I'll tell you one thing. Okay, ngimamelile i-video liyakababa uMseleki, and mina nje ezumagatsheni ngiyabonga ukuthi asiniki imvumo or igunye lokuthi no, not imvumo, igunye lokuthi sikhulume ngaye as content creators, because we know a lot of celebrities they do not allow that. I'll make an example no Felix Hlophe. I remember uLady Lodi, there's a content creator ku TikTok, uyenza wona why ku TikTok, ku Facebook. Felix Hlophe uke waseva that lady who's doing a beautiful job, a young lady. Umsebenzi lento guys ngamaloya ukuwamseva amaphepha ukuthi akafuna akhulume ngaye, but you have a reality show, but usibiza nge-celebrity, but you don't allow us to talk about you. Omunye mawukhuluma ngayo uzenza ivideo abhale long thing or akhulume long thing as justify what we are talking about. And I remember I always say mina kuma videos wami, whatever ngisho ngabantu bakaMseleki or anyone engikhuluma ngayo, sikhuluma on base what we see on TV, on base what they give us. Ungasiniki thini content ongafuni sikhulume ngayo, ungayivezi, because I believe ukuthi into evela ku TV, more especially ama reality TV shows, into osinika yona into wena ufuna sikhulume ngayo. If awufuni sikhulume ngayo ungayivezi. You understand? I'll make an example ngendawo indaba kaMfazi kaMseleki ogcina. Second of the last, uMangwabe had a son. We never knew about umntana kaMangwabe. Asikaze even a single day sathi ubani uzele ubani wenzani, up until balethe indaba umntana kaMangwabe kithi khani sikhuluma ngayo. So uMseleki lapha bekabonga abantu abaningi abamkhulekele South Africa and people who are praying for isithembu sakhe. I'm one of people bekathukile leso sikhathi uMseleki agula, because guys, I understand ukuthi ukufa kuyenzani ifamily. I understand ukuthi ukuhamba kwe-breadwinner endlini kuzokwenzani umndeni. I understand ukuthi yabona nje umseleku, we may take him for granted, or abantwana bakhe or ifamily yakhe amakhosikazi they may take him for granted, but makangasekho endlini they'll feel it. They'll feel it. As much as he's not a perfect man, nabo some of amakhosikazi, they're not perfect umseleku. I'll make an example in the medical aid. Just that if video khona ngiyenza, I really don't understand why mango abangafuni ukufaka umseleku medical aid. Because we know ukuthi masenza government there are other benefits that they are getting, and we know ukuthi umseleku njengoba ufuna ufaka mango ucabanga lawo ma benefits. You understand? I don't understand. I've seen a lot of people, they were praising ubangwabi ukuthi akafuna ufaka umseleku ku medical aid, but should umseleku agule and imali ayikho endlini, or should umseleku agula hlala isikhathi eside esibhedlela whereby abafazi they don't have money, there's a point where they won't have money to cash out of their own pockets, umseleku ahambe emhlabeni, abantu bazosafara more abangani bakhe, ingane zakhe. So ngisorry ngithi bengifuna ukuthi ingane zakhe zosafara more. 1, 2, uye uzoba mfelokazi. 3, uye uzoba i-single parent, and being a single parent is not an easy thing, guys. Being a single parent kube ubhekane nengane kanje, it's not pap and flex, more especially kwingane esesijwayele impilo ephezulu, ukuthi udowngrade umntanakho. As much as ingane zinga-understand, ingane azifani ingane za-understand, but wena as a parent le nto leyo izokuhlukumeza umoya and izoshaya umoya wakho kulahlele phansi. So umseleku, guys, uyasho ukuthi even the Bible or the pastor was justifying i-behavior yakhe, which is I'm against that, because I feel like khona ezinye izinto umseleku that he demands emakhosikazini wakhe that he knows ukuthi angeke zibe khona. I feel like umseleku mele understand amakhosikazi wakhe ngamunye, so that yena ezibaba umseleku azoba ne-peace. Understand? So that yena ezibaba umseleku azoba ne-peace. But I'll forever advocate for this man. I'll forever ukuthi ubuhle bakhe ngingabishedi ngabubi bakhe, because amubi anjalo ubuhle kodwa unabo, amubi anjalo uyakwazi ukuprovide for ingane zakhe, amubi mhlawumbe umakhosikazini wakhe abe toxic kuthiwe yi-narcissist, kodwa unabo ubuhle. And the fact ukuthi abafazi bakhe they have freedom of speech, and the fact ukuthi abafazi bakhe bakwazi ukuma bamtshele maka-wrong, it means a lot. I'm telling you, it shows ukuthi he's not an abusive man, because amadoda ahlukumeza abafazi, imfazi usaba nokumtshela ngisho into izo-affecta yena as a man, athule, just because uyazi ukuthi makangathi kuzoba kanje, makangathi kuzoba kanje. But bazala bami, I hope ukuthi iphasikaleni liliphethe kahle. That is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.